Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Persian by Proshat. Today's lesson is about two very challenging letters. The first one is called Ghain and the second one is called Qaf. But because as I have introduced you the alphabet in introduction video on my YouTube channel or my Telegram channel or on my Instagram, the alphabet that we're using now is Arabic. So there are many sounds in Arabic which do not exist in Persian language. Therefore, we use the sounds which are similar to those sounds. For example, here, Ghain and Qaf have different pronunciation in Arabic, but they are very similar. And in Persian, because we have the pronunciation of this letter, Ghain, we pronounce Qaf same like Ghain. Let me tell you how they pronounce it in Arabic and how we pronounce it in Persian. In Arabic, they pronounce this one Ghain, this one Qaf. Ghain, Qaf. G, Q. Actually, Q is something between K and G in Arabic. But in Persian, both of them are pronounced G. G. Normal G, not Ghain, not Qaf. G. Now let me help you to pronounce them in your throat. Okay, imagine you're gargling. When you gargle, you say ah, right? You use the bottom of your throat next to the small tongue and you contract there and make this sound. And in a funny way, you imagine you are imitating a frog. When you say see, when you do like that, you use the depth of your throat. So this sound is made in that area of your vocal cavity. So do gargling and pay attention which part of your throat is being used to produce this sound. R, 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 r. And here is the sticking and separate form of Ghain, and this the sticking form and separate form of Qaf. This is how we write the separate form of Ghain, and here is an example. D plus A plus G together, dog. Dog means hot in English. Next example, G plus A plus R together, ghar. Ghar means cave. Please pay attention how I write the sticking form of G in this example. J plus O plus G plus D. Together, J, O, and here is the sticking form of Ghain. Like this. G, jord. Jord means owl. See the first and the second one that I write here in red, they're not different, but just because you want to stick the previous letter J to G, you make an extra line here. When you write it separately, you should show like that, but when you want to stick all the letters to each other, there is no difference. Jord or owl is a sacred bird in Persian culture, and it's the symbol of wisdom. T plus I plus G together, tigre. And please pay attention that how I write the sticking form of final G. Tigre. Tigre, and here is how I write it fast and fluent. Tigre, which means blade. Let's bring all kinds of G together here, like the initial G in ghar, the middle one in jord, and the final one in tigre. These are all the sticking forms of G, and here we have the only separate form of q which comes at the end, like in dog. So these are the sticking forms, and this one which comes only at the end is the separate form. And here there are more examples for the separate form of q, like morq. Morq means hen. M plus o plus r plus q. Another example, d plus o plus r plus u plus g. Together, دروغ. دروغ means lie, which is considered one of the biggest sins in my culture. Let's go for the next letter, which is qaf. But there is no sound like this in Persian because it is an Arabic sound. So we pronounce qaf same like ghain. So both are pronounced q. Example, f plus a plus n plus d plus o plus g. Together, fandok. Fandok means hazelnut. q plus a plus l plus b. Together, qalb. Qalb means heart. So this is how we write the sticking form of qaf. Qalb. But qalb is an Arabic word, and instead we use del, which is Persian, and also Hindi. Another example, q plus o plus f plus l. Together, qofl, which is again Arabic, and instead we use band, which is Persian, which means lock. M plus a plus sh plus qaf. Together, mashq. Mashq means homework. Let's bring all kinds of qaf together here, like the initial one in qalb, the middle one in faqir, f plus a plus q plus e plus r. Faqir means poor, although it's Arabic, but it's used in Persian a lot. Its Persian synonym is nadar. And the final qaf in mashq, the final but sticking one. So these are all the sticking forms of qaf, and this is the separate form. qalib, which means format. qab, which means frame. But they are Arabic, so instead of them, we use the Persian synonym, which is charchub. Charchub means both format and the frame. Thank you for staying with me, and please subscribe my channel and share this video with all the Persian lovers so that they can learn Persian easily. Stay tuned.